Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain Cat. Today we are going to discuss about fillet command, sketch fillet. So first of all, select plane. Today I am selecting right plane. Select plane, sketch normal. From here we can select fillet, sketch fillet. For sketch fillet, first of all, draw some rectangles. Right click, select option, select fillet, sketch fillet. Identity to fillet. We can select identities by two methods, either selecting two lines or second option is by selecting endpoint. Keep it 20 mm. Select OK. Here we uncheck dimensions each fillet. So every fillet have one dimension which is equal to this one is equal to this one is equal to the same dimension 20 mm. Select OK. Here 20 mm. And this fillet radius is 20 mm. If we edit this one to 30 mm, then all the fillets will be 30 mm. Select this 30 mm. Second again select fillet. Now this one, select this one, this one, this one. If we check mark the dimension each fillet, OK. Now at every fillet command here different dimension is shown. We can edit this 240. Then other remaining will be 20 only. We can also change it. Let's keep it 15 mm. Then this will be 15 and remaining will be same. This is our fillet command in sketch fillet. Thanks for watching.